Have you ever wondered why your Ooma account is acting wonky? Or maybe you're just new to the world of Ooma and have no idea where to start. Well, fear not, because today we're going to dive deep into the magical realm of Ooma account access. Let's get started. So what is Ooma, you ask? Think of it as your digital phone system on steroids. It's a cloud-based platform that offers a variety of features like unlimited calling, voicemail, and even video conferencing. But before you can start enjoying all these perks, you need to know how to access your Ooma account. Step 1. Locate your Ooma base station. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you'll need to do is find your Ooma base station. This is the physical device that connects your home phone system to the internet. It's usually a small white box that you'll find near your router or modem. Step 2. Find your Ooma account information. Now that you've found your Ooma base station, it's time to locate your account information. This typically includes your username and password. You can usually find this information on a sticker attached to the base station or in the original packaging. If you can't find it, don't panic. We'll discuss what to do in a bit. Step 3. Access the Ooma portal. Once you have your account information, you're ready to access the Ooma portal. This is an online platform where you can manage your account, make changes to your settings, and access your call history. To access the portal, simply go to Ooma portal URL and enter your username and password. Step 4. Troubleshooting common issues. Even if you follow these steps to the letter, you might still encounter some issues. Here are a few common problems and their solutions. Forgot password. If you've forgotten your password, simply click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Ooma will send you a reset link to your email address. Can't find your base station. If you can't locate your base station, check your router or modem. It's often placed nearby. If you still can't find it, contact Ooma customer support. Ooma app issues. If you're having trouble with the Ooma app, make sure your device is running the latest software. You may also need to uninstall and reinstall the app. Using the Ooma app is a convenient way to manage your account on the go. You can use it to make calls, check your voicemail, and even monitor your home phone system. To download the Ooma app, simply search for it in your device's app store. And there you have it. Accessing your Ooma account is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of all the features that Ooma has to offer. If you're still having trouble accessing your Ooma account or have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma customer support. They're always happy to help.